Hello everyone, welcome to my Tech Space, your ultimate guide for all your tech-related queries. In this video, we're going to be speaking on a step-by-step process on how to download and log in TikTok. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open your Play Store to download the TikTok app, tap on search on the top and type TikTok. Now click on install. It may take some time to download the app and install. Make sure you've got a good internet connection. It will show installing on your screen as your app is being installed. Now, after it's done, click on Open. Tap on Agree and Continue to accept the terms and conditions and begin the app. Now, choose any one of your interests, or you can just skip this process and choose later. For now, let's just go ahead and choose Daily Life, Entertainment, DIY, and Life Hacks, and many more options of your choice. After choosing your interest, tap on Next. To start watching the videos based on your interest without logging in to your TikTok account, you can swipe up. You can just watch these videos without having to log in. To follow, like, share, or comment on videos, you'll have to register your account on TikTok. I've already registered my TikTok account, so I would like to log in using my username and password here. So let's go ahead and tap on the bottom section over here, where you can see the login option highlighted in red color. On your screen, you'll come across several options where you can log in to your account using your phone number, email, username, or you can see continue with Facebook on the second menu. Similarly, you can continue with your Google account as well. You can even log in through your Twitter and Instagram accounts. Also, if you want to, you can log in through phone if you have previously registered your TikTok account through phone number by selecting your country for country code. Now let's log in via email and username for now. Here you can enter your email or username, then enter a password. Make sure you enter your correct login credentials. Otherwise, you can click on Forgot Password option to reset your password. We have talked about the detailed process in another video about this, the link of which you can find in the description below. Tap on Login inside this red rectangular box. You can either allow or deny access to contacts. Let's just deny for now. And well, congratulations, you've logged into your account and you can now enjoy using TikTok. That's all there is to it, guys. If you have any questions, please post them in the comment section below. Leave a like if you found this to be helpful and subscribe for more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.